Welcome to Zip World, a game full of adventure, puzzles, and surprises. But today, something strange is about to happen. In Pixel Park, kids loved playing Zip World. It was a game where you could run, jump, and explore. The game was run by a smart AI named Zip. Zip followed the rules of the game perfectly. One afternoon, the kids started a new level, but the character walked into a wall, missed the jump, and fell into the river. Game over again. The kids looked closely at the game. Zip, they asked, why do you keep doing that? Zip answered, I am following the instructions. The kids realized something important. The kids stopped guessing and started thinking. They looked at the steps carefully. They changed the order, they made the instructions clear. Now the game had a better plan. The level restarted, the characters walked forward, stopped at the river, jumped at the right time, and turned left. It worked. The treasure chest opened, the screen lit up. Level complete. Zip spoke calmly. Correct steps create correct results. The kids smiled. They hadn't just played a game, they had learned how AI works. AI follows instructions, humans decide the steps.